everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this recipe. I think I'm going to call it patties. It's 100% plant-based and it's so healthy and nutritious, and it also tasted really delicious. But side note, it doesn't look the prettiest, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing, but does that really matter, guys? Because what really matters is don't judge a book by its cover, basically. It literally tasted so delicious. Without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. And also, if you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up for me. And hit that notification bell as well. It helps me so much, and I truly appreciate it so much. I love you guys. And let's get into the video, guys. Thing we're going to be doing is just taking a red pepper and a spring onion and a regular brown onion, and we're just going to chop them all up. Red bell peppers are a really good source of vitamins and minerals, and they actually can help prevent anemia. They also help support healthy night vision, and they're a good source of vitamin B6. I love to just put music on whilst I chop, and it makes it less tedious. And also, guys, a good tip if you want to eat clean is pre-chop your veggies and then store them in storage bags and then freeze them. That way you always have your meal prep prepared, basically. Oh my gosh, what is up with me today, guys? Now it's time to chop our spring onions. Did you know, guys, spring onions are a really good source of vitamin C and calcium? Do you guys find these facts interesting? Please comment in the comment section below, because I kind of do, but I'm a little neek, so allow me. Little geek. Onions contain fiber and folic acid and vitamin B, which also helps the body make healthy new cells. And did you guys know that onions can be used as a natural antihistamine? So if you suffer from any allergies or nasal congestion, onions are really beneficial. Just taking some portobello mushrooms and I'm chopping them up. Mushrooms are a real superfood, guys, packed with minerals and vitamins and nutrients. They are literally loaded with nutrients such as vitamin B, potassium, copper, vitamin D, selenium. They literally boost your body's immune system and 100% will heal you from within, guys. I know I keep saying this. They are really good for your gut as well, and they can improve digestion. I'm now just going to take some grapeseed oil, which is high in vitamin E and omega-6. And we're just going to saute all our ingredients. I'm using a green pan, which is toxin free. Going to be using organic sea salt. I don't like to use table salt as it contains silicon dioxide. I always try to stay away from harmful chemicals, and I'm just going to saute my vegetables, and I'm also sprinkling in a little bit oregano, and I'm going to probably use my favorite seasoning, which is organic cayenne pepper, as I love spicy food, as I've probably mentioned 100 times before. So yeah. Once our veggies have been sauteed and they're nice and seasoned, it's now time to go on to making the base of the patty, which is basically dough. So yeah, here we are. I'm going to be using my favorite flour ever, which is spelt flour. It's so nutritious, and it's so much more water soluble than modern day wheat, so it's easier to digest, and it's loaded with essential minerals and vitamins, boosting your immunity and healing you from within. Oh my god, I need to stop, really. Spelt flour can help regulate your metabolism, it can increase circulation, it can lower your blood pressure, and it can also reduce bad cholesterol levels and also, of course, improve the immune system. So I'm just added in some spring water and I've just added in some sea salt, and I'm just going to be using my hands as I want to make like a proper dough ball so we can create our patties. My method is always add in less, that way you can add more, if you see what I mean, because if you add too much you can't undo it, but if you add in less, there's always room to add in more. As you all probably know, I don't ever measure. Now that we've got our nice little dough ball, we're just going to put it on the counter. I'm just going to keep messing about with it until I just get the excess flour and make it all one big massive dough ball. We're just going to take our rolling pin and roll it out like so. I'm now just going to section the dough for each patty to be created. I actually love baking with dough and stuff. It's proper my thing. I think it's because I used to do it when I was little with my grandma, so I really do love it. That's a fun fact, guys. Make sure that you make your dough quite thick and resilient so that it won't just collapse when you add your vegetables. And now we're just gonna fold it over like so. I've been a bit greedy and overpacked mine. It's packed to the brim. And this part be gentle. So we're just shoving all the ingredients in like so. And then we're just gonna close it like a little parcel. And there you basically have it, your patty, and we're now just gonna bake those and they will taste super delicious. Took some greaseproof paper and I'm just taking some grapeseed oil and this is to prevent them from sticking, and we're just gonna place these two little beautiful patties into the oven like so, and I baked them on a medium heat, and I probably checked on them a few times and turned them over whilst they bake. So just took some chestnut mushrooms and I just chopped them up as well, as I'm going to eat those as a side alongside the patty. Quickly sauteed them and I seasoned them. And voila, lunch is served. This is a really good lunch idea, especially if you're out and about, as these tasted super delicious on the go or at home. And I plated them up with the side of mushroom. It's time for the taste test. What did you say?
Is there honey inside it? Is these raisins?
Out of 10.
1,000 out of 1,000.
Oh, that's kind of you. Like I said, not the most aesthetically pleasing, but hey, don't judge me. I'm not a professional. I'm a professional amateur. And these literally healed me from within, leaving me feeling my very best self. And I really hope you do try these, guys. I love you guys. See you in my next upload.